Howdy, y'all. This isn't my usual chair. This is a new Coleman camp chair. It's not new for Coleman, it's new for me. See how it does. I've only given it a couple of test sits so far. Got a place for my beer glass. Got a pocket down here for my phone, tablet, bottle opener. And I've got a neat little cooler here, which I thought was a little gimmicky at first, but I'm camping on the motorcycle. I usually don't take a cooler with me because of space concerns, but I've got a place to stash my beer. I'm not going to drink it right away, or whatever else I happen to get. And look, we have a beer. This is a Winter Ride Double Bock. Double or dark roasted caramel Munich malts. This is a Trader Joe's Josephbrau. Double Bock lager, 7.5% alcohol. There won't be, oh, it's on there, 28 IBUs. That's more than I expected. It's going to be malty, priced by the hops. Oh, smells nice and dark malty. It's that time of year for winter drinks. It's a pale caramel. Stick my bottle back in here for now. Anyway, got a good head on its shoulders. It's caramel, some other malts, sweet, smells sticky. Tastes sweet, caramel. That sweetness really is the big hits you in the face. Instead of a hot bomb, it's a sweet bomb. There's some other malts in there, but the sweet is super sweet, almost overpoweringly sweet. Caramel and sweet, sweet and caramel. Phew! Oh, excuse me. Phew! Excuse me again. I hope you're wearing your masks and your have all your shots and don't want you to catch anything. Yeah. That's why we're broadcasting from a remote location. As far as I know, I don't have anything other than hay fever, and it's the rainy season, so things start growing here in California. And I've never had sinus trouble till I moved here to California. Weird, huh? Anyway, that's it. It's sweet and caramel. It looks good, smells good, tastes average, like 2 3/4 maybe out of 5 stars ish. I'll let it warm up a little before I finish and see if it improves. Some good brews improve as they warm. Uh, cheap beers you want ice cold with a twist of lime or something because they're cheap beers. Anyway, that's what we've got. Thanks for watching and cheers.